ma'am. So first of all, before we begin the interview, we would like a small brief from you.
See, basically, this is Professor Dr. Bindya Bakshi Chaya this side, and I am an associate professor at SAR Institute of Management. My core subjects are accounting, finance, and financial management.
Okay, so first question from our side is, being a faculty of SAL MBA program, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
See, basically, I would like to divide my roles and responsibilities into two parts: a core academics and slightly off academics, right? As far as academics is concerned, what I try to, in fact, all of us strive here is to, make our core subject relevant and interesting to the students, just not by the chalk and talk technique, but we try to engage them by way of group discussions, and we give them plays where they are supposed to do roles like role plays, and we give them to present, to prepare PPTs and to present them. So we want to, at the end of the 2 years, when they leave our campus for the harsh real world, we want to, basically, they should be ready for that real life challenges, right? So basically, we want their transition from academics to industry, a very seamless one. So that's how my roles and responsibilities are divided.
Great answer, ma'am. My another question is, how do you tend to establish a healthy relations with the students and fellow faculty?
Oh yeah, see, basically, two questions, two answers from my side, right? From the very initial stage of the students coming to us, we tell them in very crisp terms that we are your mentors. We are very friendly with you at all the times, but at the end of the day, we are not your friends. So there's a thin line between being friends and being friendly. Do not try to cross them. Otherwise, we are there for their professional as well as personal counseling, because at the end of the day, our goals is kind of similar to their parents. We want them to be very successful and happy individuals at the end of the day. Right? And regarding what you were saying about the faculties, we faculties basically believe that our growth is only if we grow together. Right? It is very rightly said that if you want to walk quick, walk alone. But it is said that if you want to walk far, you walk together. So later fundamental we have applied at our institute, and all the faculties work towards a common objective, that is betterment of the students.
Talking about the healthy environment, my next question is, what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which can help them gain the necessary skills for the industry?
Yeah. Like apart from teaching, apart from the curriculum, that's right. See, we basically take all the students to industrial visits on a regular basis, whether it's a production house or an accountant's firm, so that they get that real life feel, right? That is one of a very good practice by our institute. Other than that, basically we try to tell them to present things. They become managers. They become they take the role plays. And that way, we tell them from the first day that don't think like as if you're students. Think as if you are the future managers. Changing the whole thought process from the very beginning.
Sure. So my next question is, what are your views upon the placements and higher education about the students from your department?
Oh yeah, see, I would like to raise a very pertinent question here, that all of us are very much equipped in this internet-dominated world. Information passes on very quickly, right? So all of us are very well aware with the information and knowledge part, right? All of us are very smart, but what is probably lacking is moral values, right? We want to run the race crushing people. So we always try to tell our students that do not lose your ethics. We want to make them global citizens with the Indian ethos. So that is probably our ulterior objective.
Okay, my next question is, how do you help your students to cope up with the competition being so high outside the world?
Oh yeah, it's a hard, rough word. So we always tell them that do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with your own self. Only way to self-betterment is, I want to be better today than I was yesterday. Right? So we always tell them that if at all there is any competition, no, it is only within you. So do not look outside for validation. Be a better version of yourself than you were yesterday.
Okay, my last question from you. What are the challenges you faced to uplift the quality of education of your department?
Oh yeah. See, students come from different schools, colleges and cultural background. They all are not the same. So it is a very difficult task for all of us to bring them at a common platform and then start uplifting them. So that is a very, very long process. But we teachers are blessed with that. So we somehow achieve that, bringing them on to one same level and then trying to uplift them. Right.
So last thing, anything you want to add to all the students who want to join the SAL?
No, basically, my one message to them, for those of who have already joined SAL, I would just congratulate them. It's a wonderful decision. So we'll try to make a better world together. And for those who have missed joining SAL, it's better luck next time maybe, right?
Yes.
So
Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
thank you so much.